So I'm walking into 2062 East Arizona Street in East Kensington, and it honestly feels like it could be in Barcelona or Copenhagen, but it's actually here in Fishtown in Philly. You've got these incredible arched niches against the exposed brick, and it's the kind of texture that gives a new build or complete renovation some soul. The flow is perfect, open, bright, but still cozy. I love how the designers use real materials, wood beams, marble counters, gold fixtures, everything seems intentional. Even the kitchen, these brass pendants, floating shelves, and that farmhouse sink, every corner has personality. Not only is this a great island with the cool lighting so you can dine here while you're cooking, but it's also very functional on the other side with drawers, microwave. Upstairs, the design keeps going with that same mix of natural light, texture, and warmth. This is the kind of renovation that stands out in a market full of white boxes. I love these details. The primary suite is really nice. First of all, you notice the ceiling height, that's great, beautiful. We've got beams up top, but come and check out the details of this bedroom. Can I interest you in a beverage or I don't know. Look how many different lighting sources you have for all different moods, vibes. Very, very cool, very detail oriented. I really appreciate this. Dork alert, I love this. Look at this. This is for all my audio needs. This is great, my USB, everything. Good, get in that. So thank you for touring 2062 East Arizona. As you can see, it is totally awesome. 3 bedrooms, 2 full bath, 1 half bath. This place is great. The details, I just love it. So hope you can come take a look.